how to change add to cart button color in Shopify. Now, as you can see over here, I have changed my add to cart button to red, which is what I did. And I'm going to show you guys that in this tutorial as well. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. And let's just get started right away. So what you want to do is simply go to your Shopify admin, so where we are at right now. And then what you want to do is go to your online store. Now, once you are here in the themes section, you want to edit your theme pretty much. So you want to click on these three dots and then click on edit code. Now, before you get all scared about the code and everything, this is going to be super easy. All you pretty much have to do is just copy and paste what I do. So what you want to do is once you are here for the first time inside of your code, you want to go to your theme.liquid. Now here, what you want to do is you want to click anywhere on this code, anywhere. Then press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. This will open up a search bar at the bottom. Now we need to find /body. So then if you find that and then hit enter, it will automatically find /body for you. Now, usually, for the most part, /body is pretty much all the way at the bottom of the theme.liquid. So then once you have found /body, what do you need to do? So you want to go to the one above and then simply hit enter. Because now we have this over here. I'm going to hit backspace. So will be put over here. So then what you want to do is simply go to the link in the description and you need to copy and then paste this code over here. So I'm going to select it over here, simply hit copy. And what I'm going to do is go back to the code and right above /body where we have just made space over here, we need to paste the code. Just like that, super easy. So you should see style, product form, and then all of this, then style again. So now we need to click on save and we need to click on preview store over here. This will bring us to a new page, or at least, our store page. We can click on our product and we can already see that our add to cart button has now been changed to a different color. So as you can see, it's currently set to purple and then I believe about like lime green or blue color for the text. Now we can all change this super easy because what we need to do is go back to our code and we can over here see the background and then a hashtag and then with a bunch of like letters and numbers, as well as color, a hashtag, a bunch of letters and numbers. Now, what are these? These are hex codes of colors. So currently this is the hex code of purple and this is the sort of like green color. So what we can do is simply go to Google. We can search for color picker. Super easy. If you are on Google, you will get the Google color picker over here. If you do not see this, you can probably just go to the first website over here and then select your color as well. If you need Shopify, but you're not sure yet, or you're already enjoying Shopify, or you know somebody that needs Shopify, what you can do is bring your ideas to life for €1 per month. So what you can do is go to the link in the description or the pinned comment under this YouTube video and sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for €1. So grab the deal now before it is gone, and yeah, good luck with your store. But here we can pretty much select any color we would like to. So let's say we want to change the add to cart button to red. What I'm going to do is put the red all the way in the top right corner pretty much, like this. And here we can see the hex code like I just mentioned. So it's hashtag FF0000. You want to copy this over here. Go to, actually we can close this one out, the paste bin one. You can remove that. Then go to your theme.liquid code. I'm going to paste this in here in the for the background color. Then for the text color, this one over here, the text color, I think I would just like to leave that as white. So what I'm going to do is put this all the way over here, like this, and this is now the hex code. So we want to copy this as well. Go to the theme.liquid, go over here, simply paste that, simply click on save in the top right corner. Once this is saved, we can simply refresh the page. And sometimes it might take a little while for this to update actually, but in this case, it updated immediately. And as you can see, we now have changed this to red as well as the white text. Now there is a black outline, as you can see. This has something to do with your theme settings as well. So if you would like to change this black outline, I'm going to show you guys that right now. So we can actually close this out, and I'm going to close these two pages because we do not need that anymore. I'm going to go exit this because we have saved everything. Now what I'm going to do is click on customize. Then I'm going to go to the t-shirt over here, and you want to click anywhere on the page. So not on the add to cart button, but anywhere on the page. And then here we can see the theme or the color scheme settings. So if you now click on edit, here we can see the scheme settings. So we can see the outline button color is set to black. So now we can change this to, for example, blue, and this will automatically be changed to blue. Now keep in mind that when you change this, since this is the scheme settings, your whole page follows the same color scheme. The share button over here will now also be changed to that same outline color, as you can see. So if I now change this, for example, to green, this will also change to green as well as the outline. See how it is green, but this one is also green. And also the problem with this is that your whole page follows the same color scheme. So now if I, for example, go to contact and then click anywhere pretty much, you can see that it also follows color scheme 1. So let's say we're to change this to red. This changes to red, but if I now go to my page over here, this also changes to red. So how can we fix that? Well, I went ahead and reset the scheme 1, as you can see. So it's back to normal. So my whole website is pretty much back to normal. But if I go to change, there actually are multiple color schemes. So if every single page on your page follows the color scheme 1, what you can do, for example, for your product page is follow color scheme 2. So then if I go to edit, you can already see that this has become gray. So what I'm going to do is change this back to white again, the solid button label to white again as well. And the outline, I can change this, for example, to green. And now if I go to save, we can see that the product page follows scheme 2, whereas the rest of the website follows scheme 1, which means that only my product pages are affected by this change. So now we can see that the outline has become green. So this was how to change add to cart button color in Shopify.